Every time you stay here, nothing seems to catch your mind. You seem too far away. That glimpse in your eyes tells me more than words can ever say. I wonder why. Don't you fall into the cages, don't you dare to miss the pages that I wrote for you to see. Words fills me up just like empty bottles of beer, just like trash. You say that this feeling seems gone away, but you know in a couple of days this feeling will be back. Don't you fall into the cages, don't you dare to miss the pages that I wrote for you to see. To see time and time and time again. It's breathtaking game must take an end. Both you and I should know by now that this bullshit would bring each other. It's getting us nowhere, and look for nothing more or nothing less. And in the end I'll think you'll find me just the way I am. And dreams on dreams forgotten all the time. I haven't every time you stay here, nothing seems to catch your mind. You seem too far away. I wonder why. I look out through my eyes at your face. As you turn, you reflect these late days. Only twice these illusions brought you sense.